Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to the Salesian news across the globe. Emmanuel claims to be 12 years old, but his entire past is full of unknowns. He was born with a leg disability, was orphaned by his mother, and after being abused by his family, ran away from home to survive on the streets. He begged and lived by expediency until he encountered the reality of Don Bosco Fambul, the Salesian center that changes the life of the neediest young people in Freetown, Sierra Leone. Over the past 2 years, his life has changed. He found a familiar environment free from discrimination where he studied and could dream of even becoming a football player. The best was yet to come, however, and it came true recently thanks to an operation that restored his normal ambulation and now, as he says, allows him to be like everyone else. Developing actions that contribute to improving the quality of life of indigenous peoples. This is one of the main objectives of the project called Mission Volunteering of the Salesian University, Uni Salesiano, belonging to the province of Brazil Campo Grande, BCJ. Started in 2017, it was interrupted in the years 2020 and 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but it recommenced in the days from June 30th to 7 July 2022, when about 30 people, including members of the Rectorate, coordinating and student bodies of the Salesian University, went on a mission in the villages of Meruri and São Marcos in the Brazilian state of Mato Grosso. From July 7 to 10, 2022, the spiritual exercises for adherents and sympathizers of the Association of Mary Help of Christians ADMA, Primary of Turin, led by Father Alejandro Guevara, Salesian of Don Bosco, world spiritual animator of the association, were held in the Salesian Mother House in Valdoco, Turin. Young couples, families with children, separated and widowed, lived together a period of spiritual recharging made of prayer, fraternity, sharing and family-friendly formation. An experience in which the children were also involved, with the little ones engaged in games and activities organized by the older ones. 25 Salesians from 7 communities and presences of the St. Joseph delegation to AFC EST participated in the annual retreat held July 3rd to 9th at the Genesaret Retreat Center of the Palatine community of Quecharo. The exercises were led by Father George Kuzuk, Palatine, on the theme The Figure of St. Francis de Sales. The Provincial of the Central Africa Province, Father Guillermo Basanas, attended the opening of the retreat as part of a service of pastoral care and accompaniment to the Salesian delegation. Archbishop Emeritus Francisco Panfilo, SDB, preached the spiritual retreat to consecrated religious of the Salesian family. It commenced on the 3rd and concluded on the 9th July 2022, was held at the beautiful Emmaus Conference Center, Boroko Port Moresby, and had as its theme the gift of fidelity and the joy of perseverance. The retreat was unique as it consisted of 4 groups of consecrated persons from the Salesian family, 36 participants consisting of Salesian priests, clerics, brothers and deacons 18, Salesian sisters 13, Caritas sisters 3, and MSMHC sister and diocesan priests. 2 Salesian confreres also joined the retreat online. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.